Here is a beginner-level quality assurance quiz that covers risk-based thinking in quality, customer complaint handling and quality feedback loops, and automation and AI in quality assurance. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary purpose of risk-based thinking in quality assurance? A. To proactively identify and address risks before they affect quality. B. To eliminate the need for quality control checks. C. To reduce production costs regardless of quality. And D. To increase the complexity of quality processes. The answer is to proactively identify and address risks before they affect quality. Question 2. Which quality standard emphasizes risk-based thinking? A. GMP, B. ISO 9001:2015, C. ISO 14001, and D. CMMI. The answer is ISO 9001:2015. Question 3. What is the first step in risk-based quality management? A. Waiting for defects to occur. B. Ignoring minor issues. C. Identifying potential risks. And D. Reducing supplier audits. The answer is identifying potential risks. Question 4. Which tool is commonly used for risk assessment in quality management? A. Lean manufacturing, B. Control charts, C. Regression analysis, and D. Failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. The answer is failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. Question 5. Which approach best describes risk-based decision-making? A. Prioritizing actions based on risk impact and likelihood. B. Eliminating preventive quality measures. C. Waiting for customer complaints before taking action. And D. Avoiding the use of data in decision-making. The answer is prioritizing actions based on risk impact and likelihood. Question 6. Which of the following is a key benefit of risk-based thinking? A. Increasing product defects. B. Preventing quality failures before they happen. C. Ignoring minor process deviations. And D. Reducing regulatory compliance efforts. The answer is preventing quality failures before they happen. Question 7. What is the main objective of customer complaint handling in quality assurance? A. Reducing documentation in quality processes. B. Avoiding customer feedback. C. Identifying and resolving customer-reported quality issues. And D. Focusing only on internal quality audits. The answer is identifying and resolving customer-reported quality issues. Question 8. Which of the following should be done when a customer complaint is received? A. Ignore the issue if it seems minor. B. Acknowledge the complaint and investigate the root cause. C. Delay resolution to reduce costs. And D. Blame the customer for incorrect usage. The answer is acknowledge the complaint and investigate the root cause. Question 9. Which tool is used to analyze recurring customer complaints? A. Line balancing, B. Gantt chart, C. Production forecasting, and D. Pareto chart. The answer is Pareto chart. Question 10. What is the primary role of a quality feedback loop? A. Continuously improving quality based on feedback. B. Eliminating customer interactions. C. Avoiding process modifications. And D. Reducing employee involvement in quality programs. The answer is continuously improving quality based on feedback. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of a quality feedback loop? A. Increasing production speed without quality checks. B. Ignoring customer feedback and focusing only on production. C. Conducting customer surveys and improving products based on responses. And D. Reducing communication between departments. The answer is conducting customer surveys and improving products based on responses. Question 12. What is the purpose of corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, in customer complaint handling? A. Ignoring minor product defects. B. Reducing documentation requirements. C. Ensuring that similar complaints do not happen again. And D. Avoiding customer service interactions. The answer is ensuring that similar complaints do not happen again. Question 13. Which technology is widely used for automated quality inspection? A. Machine vision systems. B. Manual inspection only. C. Paper-based checklists. And D. Verbal quality assurance. The answer is machine vision systems. Question 14. What is a major benefit of using AI in quality assurance? A. Increased manual workload. B. Faster defect detection and prevention. C. Higher production costs. And D. Reduced compliance with quality standards. The answer is faster defect detection and prevention. Question 15. How does artificial intelligence, AI, improve quality control? A. By eliminating the need for compliance audits. B. By replacing all human quality control professionals. C. By ignoring minor quality deviations. And D. By analyzing large amounts of data to detect patterns in defects. The answer is by analyzing large amounts of data to detect patterns in defects. Question 16. Which of the following is an example of automation in quality assurance? A. Automated defect detection using AI-powered cameras. B. Manual paper-based quality reports. C. Conducting all inspections without data analytics. And D. Ignoring minor defects in production. The answer is automated defect detection using AI-powered cameras. Question 17. Which of the following is a key benefit of automated testing in quality assurance? A. Slower defect detection. B. Increased human errors. C. Faster and more consistent test execution. And D. Less accurate results. The answer is faster and more consistent test execution. Question 18. Which technology is often used to analyze large datasets for quality trends? A. Verbal quality discussions. B. Traditional paper checklists. C. Manual data entry. And D. Machine learning. The answer is machine learning. Question 19. What is the purpose of predictive analytics in quality assurance? A. To identify and prevent potential quality defects before they occur. B. To manually inspect every product without technology. C. To increase production time. And D. To eliminate risk assessment. The answer is to identify and prevent potential quality defects before they occur. Question 20. Which of the following best describes AI-powered anomaly detection in quality assurance? A. Manually reviewing all quality control reports. B. Identifying defects that deviate from expected patterns using AI algorithms. C. Eliminating all human involvement in quality assurance. And D. Reducing quality checks to save costs. The answer is identifying defects that deviate from expected patterns using AI algorithms. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.